Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Not many people are aware of this in Nigeria, but thank God for the Punch newspaper that carried this report. It was Punch and Tribune that carried this report, and it's available online. You can go and check it out. And what is the report? The report was that in April 2024, just at the beginning of the rainy season, farmers and herdsmen in the southwest signed a peace accord to end clashes between the two warring groups and promote food security for the benefit of all. Of course, before this report, not many people are aware that farmers in Southwest and herdsmen are at war. We know about Sunday Igbo when he had issues with the herdsmen, but that time was now long gone. But back in April, farmers and herdsmen in the Southwest signed a peace accord, and it will interest you among those who witnessed it. Family members of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu witnessed the signing of the peace accord. Now, before I go further on this, if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless. Now, the coordinator of Commodities Farmers Organization in the Southwest, Shegun Dasaolu, and the president of Miyetti Cattle Breeders Association of Nigeria, Othman Ngelzama, signed the Peace Pact on behalf of the two groups at a Commodities Farmers Organization Summit held at the International Conference Center, University of Ibadan, Oyo State Capital. Speaking separately while signing the agreement, Dasaolu and Ngelzama said the step became necessary to ensure that peace reigns in the zone in particular and Nigeria at large. It was also instructive to note that a former governor of Oyo State and Otun Olubadan of Ibadan land, Chief Rashid Ladoja, and the Iyaloja General, who is also the daughter of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Folashode Tinubu Ojo, were among notable Nigerians who witnessed the signing of the peace accord. Why did I bring this thing up? I brought this thing up in the light of the hashtag Igbo must go from Lagos and Southwest. Now, this is Miyetti apparently running roughshod in Southwest communities. Because if they have not run roughshod on Southwest farming communities, because most rural communities in Nigeria, they are farmers. So most rural community dwellers in Southwest were farmers. They are having a running battle, a war, from this report in Punch. You can also go and read the report in Tribune. They are having a war over land. Now, who owns the land? Even by the law of trespass, anybody bringing cattle, whether from Miyetti or from anywhere, and coming to disrupt the farming activity of anybody in Southwest, could be looked at from the point of view of trespass. Now, people were not incensed to run a campaign of Miyetti Allah or herdsmen must go. Not that he would have made it right, because you will assume that there is law and order in Nigeria. So if a herder carries his cattle and enter your farm and destroy your crops and stuff, you can go to the police and expect that the law order and order will take the due process. Not that you run herdsmen must go. That's not what I'm saying. But you can see that those who are running Igbo must leave Lagos and Southwest, they didn't consider it necessary, or they were so fearful of the repercussion of running such a campaign that they didn't run it. They didn't run Fulani herdsmen must go or Miyetti Allah must go. Hashtag for them to show that they are the owners of Southwest. But truth be told, all the lands in the Southwest, based on the Land Use Act, belong to the government of Southwest. That's why governors give C of O. But these people were not threatened. They don't feel threatened by the herdsmen, what they are doing in their communities. What they were more concerned was about the Igbo must go. You see, why I brought this thing up is to show you that the reason why those who are doing Igbo must go hashtag is because they know that the system will protect them. The system will allow them to get away with it. Because as far as I can see, I don't see any threat that Igbos pose to Southwest or to Lagos. In the sense that I have never heard that Igbos are dragging land with Southwest people or dragging land with Lagos people. Okay, if you see any Igbo person who is in court in Lagos about land, it's probably that he bought a land from a wrong member of the family, and the other members are coming up and say, no, we didn't sell this land to you and others. But in the Southwest, we know, Boho has explained it, several people have explained it. The farmers in Southwest were threatened, just like farmers in several parts of Nigeria are no longer going to farm because of the fear of herdsmen. But in the Southwest, they didn't have the courage of their conviction, those who are running that Igbo must go, to say herdsmen must go, because they know there will be consequences. Why I'm saying this is because the Igbo must go was a low-hanging fruit for all kinds of characters in the Southwest to play a ethnic game, because they know they can get away with it. And in the case of the Miyetti Allah, look at what they did. They signed a peace accord that was even witnessed by the daughter, you can call her the first daughter of Nigeria, which means that that peace accord had the seal of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, by the mere fact that her daughter was there to witness that peace accord. So you can see the way they play politics in Nigeria. That was also the reason why, since this Igbo must go hashtag gained traction, the president have not said anything until his latest broadcast, where he said it in passing. He didn't even pay much attention to it. He just talk about that no part of the country has a right to tell any part not to stay there or whatever. But he didn't pay particular attention to that. And this came up all about the protest. The unfounded rumor that Igbos are the ones behind the protest. Then they began a campaign that if you want to protest, Igbos should go back to their states to go and protest. They should leave Lagos and the whole of Southwest to go to their states to go and protest. No other ethnic group was pointed out in those who ran the campaign or who are still running the campaign. No other ethnic group was mentioned. Nigeria has over 400 ethnic nationalities, but the Igbos were singled out. Now the president has spoken about it in person in his broadcast about the ongoing protest. Governor Sanwo-Olu has dissociated himself from those who are running it. But all I can see are half-hearted condemnation, because nobody has yet been arrested. Nobody has yet been made to pay the price to show that they are serious in their condemnation. Afenifere has also issued a statement condemning it. But all in all, it is to show that those who are running that Igbo must go campaign, but didn't have the courage to run such a hashtag on herdsmen in their area, but sign a peace accord. What they have exhibited is that they were cowards, because if they have courage of their own conviction that their territory is under threat, I don't think that Igbos pose more threat to their communities than the information we are getting from the signing of this report, this peace accord, that farmers and herdsmen were hitherto at war in the Southwest, for which they were made to sign a peace accord. That's my take on this matter about the Igbo must go hashtag, and then of course linking it with the peace accord that the Southwest signed with Miyetti for peace to reign in Southwest in this farming season. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.